Understanding the gut microbiome.
Your gut microbiome is a community of trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system. These microbes help digest food, produce certain vitamins, and play a key role in your immune health. When there's an imbalance, known as dysbiosis, you may experience both digestive and whole body symptoms. Recognizing these early signals can help you take steps toward better health.
Digestive discomfort and irregularity.
If you frequently experience bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, or heartburn, your gut microbiome might be out of balance. These symptoms often result from changes in the types or amounts of bacteria present. Persistent digestive discomfort can be a sign that your digestive health needs attention, and it may be time to re-examine your diet and lifestyle habits.
Unexpected food sensitivities.
New or worsening food intolerances, such as to dairy, gluten, or high-fiber foods, can indicate changes in your gut bacteria. A less diverse microbiome may make digesting certain foods more difficult, leading to symptoms like cramping, bloating, or nausea. Monitoring your reactions to foods and noting any recurrent issues can reveal valuable clues about your gut health.
Mood changes and sleep issues.
Your gut and brain are closely connected. Imbalances in gut flora can influence mood, stress response, and even sleep quality. If you're experiencing frequent mood swings, anxiety, depression, or trouble sleeping, it could be related to your gut's health. Addressing gut balance may help support not just digestion, but also emotional and mental wellness.
Weakened immunity and skin problems.
Frequent colds, infections, or skin flare-ups like acne or eczema can be linked to gut health. Since much of your immune system resides in your gut, an imbalance can lower defenses and trigger inflammation elsewhere in the body. Taking note of persistent immune or skin issues may highlight the need for gut-friendly changes.
What you can do to support your gut.
If you notice these warning signs, focus on eating more fiber-rich foods, fermented foods like yogurt, and staying hydrated. Limit processed foods and added sugars, which can disrupt healthy bacteria. Getting enough sleep, managing stress, and exercising regularly all support a healthy gut. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice.